What's going on, guys? In today's video, we're going to speak about products, the new GMB feature you need to start using. Watch this! All right, guys, so we're going to be speaking about products today, which is a section located inside your GMB. However, I don't want to waste your time. If you're any one of these industries that you see here on the screen, hotels, casinos, vacation rentals, cannabis shops, gun shops, conference centers, camps, or adult shops, this does not apply to you. So everyone else it applies to, and you're going to see great value out of this, because what they did was they've moved the section for Google Posts, and they pushed it all the way down, and they left the section up for products, but it's confusing a lot of people. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do, so you'll be able to feature your products and your services. All right, guys, so the thing that's confusing people is that a lot of people in the service industry, for example, a lawyer, a DUI lawyer, a criminal case lawyer, a plumber, an electrician, right? All the examples that I use all the time, they don't necessarily sell a product. Their service is their product. So when they see products over here, that doesn't really make sense. In fact, people who sell virtual products like me, I sell, website design and SEO. Sometimes I don't even think of them as products. I think of them as services. So in the past, I never gave this section, products, too much attention. If this section should be named something else, even if it was products and services, right? I do believe in the future the name will be changed from products. Of course, it's kind of confusing, but it's real important. If you're watching this video, you need to fill out that section the same way you do your Google posts, because let me show you why. If you put in your brand right here into Google and you scroll down to your knowledge panel, this is where your Google posts used to be. They used to be pretty close to, your name, address, and phone number, your hours, and all that other stuff. But now it is pushed all the way underneath here. You see that? It's pushed down. They made room for it. So we need to fill this section with products. Now remember, if you're a lawyer, if you're a dentist, and you don't necessarily sell something to somebody that they bring home in a box, you may be a bit confused as to what you could put in your product section. But just keep watching this video. I believe I have a solution for you. All right, guys, so what I want to do is I want to give you a real world example of what I'm speaking about. So if I were just to type in the word dentist into Google, let's go to a couple of different listings. So you'll notice that Bel Air, Smiles, right? No pictures, right? Piper Family, Dentist. These are just pictures. They're not products, right? TNC, once again, pictures of their office, but I don't really know too much from here what they do. Look at Confident Smile. Look at this. Teeth whitening, orthodontics, and preventive dentistry. Look at this. See? Invisalign, emergency dentist. See the difference? Look at Piper. Nothing. Look at Today's Dental, right? Just pictures of their staff. But you don't know what they do. Now I'm going to show you a real good example that I got off watching a video from Whitespark. I'll include that video on the bottom here. Where is it? Okay. So this is Pringle, Chivers, Sparks, and Teskey. They're a law firm out in Edmonton, Canada. Look at this. Look at their products, right? Legal services, driving and impaired, driving offenses, legal services, sexual offenses. See? and that's a lawyer. Now, I will guarantee you that no other lawyer is doing that in that beautiful purple. Nobody has added products. Let's take a look. All right, let's go right here, view all. All right. Listen, I'm trying to make this as entertaining as possible. This isn't easy. All right, once again, pictures of the lawyers. I don't know what services they offer. Pictures, right? So watching this video, okay, look at this. Okay, Abrahamson. They have their products. This is done perfectly. See that? Motorcycle, car accidents, and this is what I want you to do. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do this. Hey guys, if you get one thing from this video is that Google is giving you free ad spot and most people are not utilizing it. They're giving you the product section where you could put in all your services, and most people, 9 out of 10 people, are not using this section. So it's real important to use the product section in your Google My Business. All right, guys, so I'm going to show you 3 ways to add a product, 3 different ways to add a product. The first way is the most simple. You just click Add Product, select a photo. Let me see what we got here. Okay, this is good. We're going to name this product local. We're going to name it Local SEO Maps Ranking, right? That's good enough. And then we are going to select a category. We're going to create a category. I created one before called Local SEO. Show price range. So for me, it'll be $500 to $2,000, right? Product description is local SEO, get in the Google 3-pack today. Something like that. All right. And we want to add a button where they could get in touch with us so they could learn more about us. Learn more. Yeah, learn more. Okay. Learn more. And there we go. Go to the contact page, for example, and press save. Okay. So that's the first way, and this is how it'll look on the page, right? It's all the information that you put in. Perfect. All right. Now, the second way is to add an animation. Now, don't add an animation into every one of your products because it's going to look wacky and you'll probably get flagged. However, the next one I'm going to add is an animation, and in the animation, it'll just catch your eye. All right? All right, watch this. So the next way of catching your client's eye is adding an animation to your product section. And let me show you how to do that. It's going to be a little sneaky trick, but I'm going to show you how to do that. So once again, just click Add Products, select a photo, scroll down, and you will notice that if you click GIF and you try to add a GIF, it will say invalid file type. So what you need to do is you need to change the name of the file. You need to change it to a JPEG. So if I just rename it to a JPEG, right? If I just rename it to a JPEG, JPG, JPG, right? And I click yes, yes, okay, open, and then I click, let me see, there we go. There we go, okay. So Now we call it the product name, Brett's SEO Blaster Tool. And select the category, that would be local SEO, and the price, this is very, very expensive price. We started off at $10,000, and it could go all the way up to $20,000. Imagine that, guys. All right, local SEO. And the optional button. All right, no button here for this example, but you get the idea, right? So what I'm trying to do is I am trying to just catch somebody's eye. Now, it takes about 24 hours for Google to list your products on the knowledge panel of Google. So if I go to click see it on Google and I go to my knowledge panel, you'll notice that it's not listed there, but within the next 24 hours, it will be listed. But you see that? So I have my products, then I'll have an animation that's moving, and it'll catch somebody's eye, and then I'm going to give you the third way of creating a post. All right, guys, the third way to do Google products is to build a story. And I really like what this law firm of Pringle, Chivers, Sparks, and Teskey did. See the way they built their story right here, where they did driving unimpaired, sexual offenses, drug offenses. They kept the whole theme the same. You see that? You could go over to a website called Canva, and you could create these very simple graphics yourself. Okay? So I'll just show you what I did. Like, you see what I mean? Like Google Maps, Google 3-pack. So you could do it this way as well, where you just build a little story and just show your services. I really like this. I like this way the best, because it just lets people know what services you offer, and it's very easy to read. See that? It's all just one color. Maybe every once in a while I'd throw in maybe a little GIF or something like that, just to break it up, maybe, or just leave it alone, or just leave it. But the real story here, if you get anything, whether you decide to add a GIF, or you just want to add your services, or you want to build a story, is to use the product section. Everybody watching this needs to use a product section, because I'm going to create another video probably within a week about products and how to improve your ranking using the product section. So let's first create this product section, and then we could play some tricks. All right. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, my email address is brettmoletta@gmail.com. I'm including my text, my cell number. You could text me anytime. I offer free audits. If you're interested in a free audit, I do a video audit, meaning that, I do like a little private video, and I send it over to you, and I give you 3 to 5 things that you need to improve on your website, on and off page, to improve your Google Maps ranking. So that may be helpful. Like I say in every video, be good to your family. That's the thing that's most important. Be good to your family. Kiss your wife, kiss your husband. Tell them that you appreciate them. Pay attention to your kids. Take them out every once in a while. Walk the dog. Clean up around the house. Do things that you shouldn't be asked to do. It's great that you're making money, and it's great that you're learning about SEO to improve your business. But don't ignore your family. That's the reason why. Don't lose focus. That's the reason why you're doing this. All right, guys. So listen. Until tomorrow. We'll see you again. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact me at any time. Thank you, guys.